What is going on, everybody? This is going to be a continuation. These are the verticals of the 1-2s, 1-2-3s, and 1-2-3-4s. If you haven't watched my intro video or my horizontal video of the 1-2s, 1-2-3s, 1-2-3-4s practices, you can play along with those or get the idea of what I'm doing by watching those videos. They'll be in the description. I'm going to go ahead and make you some tips in the beginning. You can have there's going to be a timeline in the description so you could jump around, so you could practice with me as well. So let's get started on those tips and get going. Okay guys, so it's the same tips as before, but a couple new ones. So with verticals, we're going to now be playing up and down. So we're going to be playing more like this. So with that being said, it's a little tricky. You want to get used to maybe not even playing with me out the song or this drill first, or slowing it down. But more importantly is look at my right hand. My right hand is going to be going onto the string where I'm plucking. People tend to leave their hand behind on the right hand over here and try to pluck the string like this. And notice how far I'm stretched out compared to when I was over here. The right way to do it is like this. Move your wrist down and stay in sync with the string you're playing. Look at my right hand. I'm going to do it again. My hand does not do this. And move over and extend out. It goes with it. You see how I'm moving it down string by string. And that may be like a centimeter or a millimeter, but it does make a difference as you get better. That is the biggest difference of tips. Now, another one is, of course, to keep the sound constant. You do not want it to sound like this. You want it to sound like this. And the reason for that, guys, is music, think of it like a melody. A melody usually carries. It doesn't start and stop, okay? Another one is try to stay even. When I play, I don't go. It stays nice and even, nice and even. Okay, another one is your first finger is going to be your anchor point to move from. So if I'm moving from string to string, it's going to start with my first finger going forward. Now, we only do this drill forward. I don't ever do it all the way backwards. But the last tip is going to be, don't forget, always look at both hands, especially with this one. Slow down. You don't have to play with a metronome. You want to work on just syncing your hands. So when I play, I'm looking left to right, left to right. Once I got the left hand in the right range, I start looking to the right, make sure I'm lining up. Now, these things take time to develop, guys. You're not going to get it all in one day. You're not going to get it just in one lesson. If you do, you're watching the wrong lesson. This is more built for beginners to get them some practice with their hands. So take those tips, jump around on the timeline. I'm only going to be doing 2 speeds on this one instead of 3 like I did on the other video. Once again, you can always speed it up and slow it down. And the reason why I'm only doing 2 is because this one's a little bit more challenging for people. I think you'll spend most of your time with the 2 speeds I've chosen. So the first speed is 50. We're going to do this with 1-2s. And we're going to do like this. We're going to go up, then down in zigzags until my first finger reaches fret 12. Watch the video if you need to get the idea of what I'm doing. Then you can play along with me. So let's get that flow. 1, 2, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Middle finger is the anchor now. First finger is the anchor. Meaning I'm moving first finger first. Middle finger leads. Middle. Down, up, down, up. If you make a mistake like I did, just keep going. Last slide. Or move over. Now my first finger ended on fret 12. That's why I stopped right there on that last one going up, okay? So now we're gonna do the same idea, but at 70. That was at 50. Now this is the last one for the 1-2s, okay? So like I said, use that timeline or that thing where you can speed it up or slow it down, and you can adjust from there. So now here's the rhythm of it. 1, 2, 1, 2, or down, up, down, up. It has a nice even feel. The next one's not gonna be so easy, guys. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. Last one. Good job, guys. Now, if you haven't, like I said, if you can't play along with me, that's okay, guys. Slow down. This stuff, when I teach this to my students, I don't teach it exactly like this and this quick. I'm just kind of compiling everything into one video because otherwise I'd have a million videos on this subject. So I'm only trying to make 3 with this drill, you know? This is, once again, this is the hardest part of it, the verticals. So now, back to 50, but now we're doing them with 3 fingers. Same idea. 1, 2, 3 going up and down, but now you're going to notice that feel is it's different. It's going to have that down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up feel to it. Okay, so let's go to get started on that. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Find your number 1. 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up, 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 switch. Up, down, 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 up, down. I got a little confused on that one. I don't know if you caught that. Around the end over here, I got a little off. I was like, am I in an up or a down? My mind wandered. That's a good thing to understand. Sometimes your mind will wander when you're doing these little things, guys. You got to pull yourself back. And it hasn't happened to me in a long time. But I didn't really lose my rhythm. I kept my cool and I kind of figured out where I was. One thing that helped me figure out where I was is I know when I'm on the 3 sets, downs always happen on the shift with the first. Ups always happen with the shift on the middle or the ring or whatever it is. Yeah, the ring finger. So what I mean by that is it's down, up, 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 down right here. And I know I said it wrong in the beginning, but it's a down in the beginning on the shift. And then it's an up on the last to the next shift. So it's kind of like they're interlocked. Whatever the shift, if it always starts with the down. Down, shift, down, down, shift, and then you're down, down, down. You'll see what I mean. Practice it and you'll get the idea. So now, doing it at 70, okay? I still got one more after this, guys. So, threes, triplets, 70, a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get the rhythm, get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Here comes the shift, down. Here comes the shift, that's what I mean, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I made a mistake. I know you heard it clear as day that time. I hit the wrong string by accident. I'm leaving it in the video, guys. It's okay to make a little mistake here and there. They're blemishes. We're not practicing right here to perform. It's a warm-up. A lot of people, a lot of my students, oh, I made a mistake. I have to start all the way over. No, no. As long as it's not a constant mistake and it's something that reoccurs, you know, over and over and over, you're okay. You know, I'm still waking up. It's kind of early that I'm making these videos. I'm not fully warmed up anyways. These are nice warm-ups. But don't be afraid if you make a little mistake here and there. Stay on the beat. Keep going. That's the idea. It's constant flow, if you will. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, we got one more to do. Fours now with 50. So now we're playing with 4 fingers. Same idea. Up and down all the way up to 12. Now, we got to get the rhythm though. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the one on the beat. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. This one has an even flow. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Switch. Almost done, guys. Last one. Good job, guys. If you made it that far, great job. I feel like I'm taking grenades with you in them trenches. You know, we're doing this together. It's a lot of work, you know? Once again, jump around. Don't be afraid to practice this stuff in different ways as well. We got one more, guys, and we are done. We've done the 1, 2s, 1, 2, 3s, and now we're doing the 1, 2, 3, 4s at its fastest speed, which I'm doing at 70. You can always do it at whatever speed you want, guys. This is just a video to help you get the idea of what you were doing, remember. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the feel. Get the feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Almost done, guys. Ooh, I kind of lost it at the end there. It kind of sounded stubbed out. I lost that string. Good job, guys, if you made it all the way to this video. Like I said, I split them up so you don't have to be watching a 45-minute video. These are great drills to practice. They're not be-all, end-all, guys. Get the idea of how they work. Most importantly, you have to put these in with whatever song you're doing. It's just to help teach you control, teach you to have the flow that you're looking for so you're not so much like this anymore. I hope that helped, guys. Come back, practice along, subscribe if you enjoyed this, tell your friends about this channel. It's going to keep growing, and leave me some comments, guys. Let me know if these are positive videos that are helping you out. Thank you for practicing along with me, guys, and I will catch you on the next guitar lesson video.